Hi, if you're looking for stuff, there is part one of tom yum soup, and cheated a little bit. I used ingredients. This is the box I use. I got it at Pete's Market, but you can probably get it any major place if you're looking at Aldi's. Probably not, because Aldi's is kind of small and has specific items. But sometimes they do have some special things. You know, they do have a good Asian area. Any place that has a dedicated Asian aisle, there's a good chance you'll find it. And you're surprising enough, some things are in other languages are used. So, you know, there may be a couple things that you may not be able to find, but if you can't find it, just get into one of those boxes and stuff like that. First, what you're going to do is get a boiling water. We have ourselves some boiling water right here. And we're going to put the seasoning in. And we're going to wait until... There we go. It is, you can smell the seasoning. That's basically how you know you're ready to go and start on to the next one. This is basically like a gumbo. It's a stew, and as we all know, stews are really easy for getting all the stuff that you need in. So it's great to get stuff out, and I got the packet. Let me get one of my little packets. So we got the herbs. I'm gonna boil that up really well. Then what you're gonna do is I have the seafood. Now you can have it in any different kind of vegetable or fruit. If you are vegetarian, then obviously, you know, or even vegan, you could just not add those kinds of meat. You add tofu. There are flavored tofu out there. If once again, if your supermarket has some kind of dedicated aisle. I'm having kind of a seafood mix. I have a crab. Now, usually they have full crabs, but this is a little cheaper. It's imitation crab. Raw shrimp, great for, you know. I have sausages, have broccoli, and I have some mushrooms. The shikadai mushrooms are great for stock for soups. I wouldn't, unless the recipe says so, do not buy these mushrooms with any other thing. I wouldn't add it to a pasta. I would only use the regular mushrooms. They're great for that, but anything else, I wouldn't think. And we're going to come back and have another video where everything's all cut up and ready to be put in. And that'll be when I smell the aroma of the herbs working its magic. Remember, you're not going to go to the next part until you smell the herbs. All right, see you back later.